Hi there and welcome back. Today it's time for a typical German tradition. It's time for spring cleaning. Let's get started. This weekend we rent a trailer to finally get rid of all the rubbish and construction rubble that's still everywhere on our property. Sometimes it needs to let things go to build something new. It was very much like a rerun of all the former episodes of Renovation East. Nearly every piece reminded me of a little story. Here in Germany, you can't just take everything to the landfill and that's it. Here you've got to take everything to the recycling center, where you have different containers for different materials like scrap metal, plastics, building rubble, wood, and so on and so forth. Most of this material will be reused as raw material again. You might know that Germans are a bit obsessed with separating their trash. At first sight, it's because everybody is eco-conscious. But if you ask me, it's more because we like cleaning, sorting and tidying up. So, everything was packed, sorted, secured and ready to let go. In preparation for the next outdoor project, we decided to tidy up the hidden dark side of our property. After 1 year, it's still completely overgrown and full of greenery, branches and fir needles. The summer plan for this little spot is to build a new, nicer fence, a little garden shed and, of course, the new facade. Little surprise from our neighbors. New workwear as a belated birthday present. Thank you. Sorry, no time for throwing sticks. If you're wondering why Laszlo is hoovering the dirt, he tries to pick up all the little pieces of styrofoam from the roof that are still lying around everywhere. As we compost everything coming out of our garden, it is quite important not to take plastics to the compost heap. What looked like this in the morning is now a tiny but clean space to build something new in the future. Meanwhile, I cleaned on the other end of the house. And what looked like this in the morning is now ready for new plants and some lawn. By the way, lawn, it's full of this stuff coming from the trees in early spring. let's use the momentum and go on tidying up. I'm sorry, but there was no building or constructing this time. But what you see in my videos is just the unscripted reality. This is what we've done this weekend. It's what seemed to make sense to us to do it now before Easter. And every time I discovered little color spots like these underneath all the greenery, I thought it made sense to do it this weekend. See you all next week with new plans and new projects. stay safe and stay healthy. And of course, thank you all for watching.